Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you our two special roosters. They are called Rasta and Pitito. They're very special to us here at our home. Um, the bigger one is called Rasta and the smaller one is called Pitito. We call them Pitito. And let's go look for them. Okay, we're gonna go and search for them. Come around here. Piti. Okay, so that is Rasta. That is Rastita. Rasta. Rasta. Don't give me your bag, honey. Don't give me your bag, sweetie. Hey. Hey, Rasta. Hey, Rastita. I don't know if you guys could see him. Hi. And let me show you now Pitito. I don't know if you guys could see it because I have to turn the phone and I don't really see what I'm... Okay, so that is Pitito. That's our little one. Hey, Piti. Hi, baby. That's Rasta and Pitito. Piti. So Pitito's really special because he has like a few of his fingers, his toes missing, and I feel so bad for him. Poor little rooster. Alright guys, so you got to meet our two special roosters, and please guys, could you please like this video, and until next time, please subscribe. Thank you.